Unicorn Critters, it's Unicorn Vlog is here with another vlog. I have not been making a little video. Like the last time I make a video was, I think yesterday. The last time I made a vlog. I can't even speak now. Anyways, I got this kind of facial mask thingy, and it's a type of putty, and it says it should smooth out your face in any way you would like. And I can't remember where I got this from. I had it over a year in my closet, and I never had time to make the video. Even last year, I never had time. So, yeah, I even bought myself an extra, and I was playing with it, and I was like, I did buy an extra pack. Maybe I could like use that actually to make a video because I had time now. Just school. It's over.
School's really busy.
Okay, so it does bounce. Oh, sorry guys. Bling. Let me.
It bounced good.
Oh my gosh, I'm so sorry guys. Okay, so today I'm gonna be adding it on my lips and my face. It says it's non-toxic. Let me read it again to make sure it's non-toxic for the lips. I did get the package. This is what it is, but it does not say the name where it got it from. But non-toxic for the lips, the nose, and the face. It could stick to cloth, paper. Why would you put it on paper? It says it all right there. And hair. So I'm gonna take this away from my hair. So now let's begin. I'm not gonna do the face mask one because my hair is a bit long and I would never want to lose it like dude. I think I'm gonna put my nose first because it says to keep the nose one for a long time. So
How about you keep it for 30 minutes?
yeah, it does say 30 minutes to an hour. So I'm gonna do like this. I'm not gonna cover my nose exactly, because like I need to breathe through this 30 minutes. That's hard. Now it looks like that's my skin, but it's actually the Galaxy facial mask thing. So I'm gonna be adding it on my lip. I'll get you a close-up view. I look after I'm done with my lips. So guys, my sister was just spraying something and like it was really funny. So yeah. She's just trying her dark closet. This is just a camera to vlog. I don't really sleep in it. I just want to make stuff look nice for you guys. So yeah. Okay. Oh, my pocket fell. Okay, I got it. Okay. So I'm done with my soy sauce and I don't like it. It says do not close your eye. This could stick and ruin your whole thing. So like 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, let's go. So guys, I'm so after 30 minutes. And it says after 30 minutes to an hour. Honestly, sticky. It said it was sticky. I don't know. I was just like I've had waiting and playing Roblox. So guys, I got Roblox on my iPad. So tomorrow I'll be making a Roblox video. And maybe I'll play with my friends if they're online. But, so let's get peeling away. And guys, actually, if I'm gonna be making a video lately today or tomorrow, I can take notes out of this. Do you think it'll turn out good or fair? Let's stop peeling because like this is kind of getting annoying. Let's go. I left some excess stuff. And guys, yeah, I actually edited it to get it to 30 minutes. Don't think I was lying or anything. Ow. Oh my gosh, guys. It's literally stuck, if you guys could see, like, oh my gosh. Ow, oh my goodness. Okay, I got it off, but it really hurt. Which is it gonna stay? Oh my gosh, it's, oh no. Guys, I don't know if I want to make fake nails out of this anymore. Oh my gosh, oh. Oh no. Oh. Okay guys, oh my gosh. It did leave a lot of excess slime. Yeah, it did. I don't think I did anything either. And I feel my lips just, like feel the same. I don't know why, but they do. And that's a bit awkward. So yeah guys, I hope you liked this video. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to get this to about 10 likes. Try to be there. Put your notification bells on to be notified when I make a new video. Like if you do that, you are a professional VIP server rockstar unicorn critter family member. So if you subscribe and put your notification bells on, you're a member to my channel and your family. You're a unicorn critter family. You are a unicorn family member. Wow!
Unicorns. Is that a
Yeah! Let's celebrate more.
Celebrate.
Yeah.
We hope you did it.
Bye, guys.
And if you did, you're just in our family.
Woo. So bye, guys. Unicorn critter smile. Bye.